You are trading on Exnet without realizing that you are losing a silent amount of money with each order. Today, you will find a way to get back 90% of the trading fee legally and very simply, with a step-by-step guide to reclaim trading fees you should never have missed. Watch a few minutes of this video. You can save thousands of dollars a month. Change partners, right? You will need to log into your SNET account here. Then you click on this chat button. Here you go. You will go to the chatbot section here, in this chatbot section, and then you will message that the partner change is done, and the boss of Adnet will send you a link like this. Then it's done. Then you will fill it out like this. Choose this fee, then enter your link in, enter this partner link, then click submit here as shown in the picture. Then you will need to verify the email verification or the SIM will send the code to you. You enter it and wait for it to have an email. Accept to change partners. Wait for a few hours. Wait for a few hours. And slowly, a few days after changing to your partner, you will open a new account. For MT5, choose this option and create an account. Get an MT4 or MT5 ID. That ID to me, and I'll add you to the refund group. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Messenger or Facebook for guidance. Find this video helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Miss out on tips for smarter, more cost-effective trading. Remember, if you want a 90% refund from SNET, check the description below. Included the registration link and detailed instructions. Let trading fees eat into your profits.